If you're new to affiliate marketing and you're looking for some of the easiest affiliate programs for beginners, I have one for you that is going to be as easy as it gets, and I'll explain exactly why that is. Okay. Now, before we get started, if you'd like to get some training that will show you how to get going the right way with affiliate marketing and setting yourself up with a solid foundation that will give you a chance for long-term success, I would highly encourage you to check out the first link I have in the description below this video. It will give you access to some training that will do just that for you. Okay. Now, as far as the easiest affiliate programs for beginners go, those are typically going to be ones that don't require a purchase. Okay. A lot of times when people hear affiliate marketing, which is typically the case, right? Normally there's a purchase involved, right? You're promoting somebody else's product or service, in return for a commission when a sale is made, right? What a lot of people don't know is that there are affiliate programs out there that will get you paid just for sending leads, right? Where the customers don't necessarily have to make a purchase, right? This is commonly known as a CPA affiliate marketing cost per action, right? And these would be things like lead generations, right? Some companies will pay just to send qualified leads that are interested in their products without the customers necessarily making a purchase. And they know how the numbers work, right? They know their back end. They know that for X number of leads that they get, they typically are going to generate X number of sales, which will cover like the cost that they paid for various affiliates to send them those leads, right? So these companies, they know how the numbers work. Okay. So that is, CPA affiliate marketing is going to be, typically the simplest or easiest way to go for brand new affiliates, right? Because no purchase is involved. There's less friction, right? Because it's always a difficult thing to get somebody to pull out their wallet to make a purchase. Now, the one that I have for you, okay, is one in which is actually quite enticing because you're referring people to a product or service which is actually going to put money in their pockets, okay? Right, and this one is actually SoFi's referral program, right? SoFi is an online personal finance and bank, which has been around since 2011. They are a multi-billion-dollar company. Okay, they are an online bank. They don't have any brick and mortar presence, right? Which enables them, since their costs are lower, it enables them to make more, make more payments to affiliates and pay even more in interest for people who have accounts with them. Okay. So the friction that may come there might only be as a result of the fact that, people tend to be pretty sensitive about their finances, and if they've been comfortable with whoever they've been banking with, right? That is where, people don't tend to like change, right? Now, this is going to be, if it's something, especially now with this being something new, if it is new to them, if they've never heard about it, they may feel skeptical, they may feel untrusting, and that they're like, is it real? Is it a scam? That type of stuff, right? But it is absolutely, this particular company is actually gaining even more recognition because now they've started putting ads on TV and stuff like that, right? And they take care of all kinds of things besides just, it's just personal finance, right? Student loans. You can get referrals for getting people to, refinance their student loans or personal loans, right? Investing as well, right? If you get people to open an investing account there with them, with SoFi, stuff like that. And then, of course, the one that we should be focusing the most on is the high yield savings accounts, all right? Because those are the ones that actually make the most sense for a lot of people. And not only that, there's quite an enticing bonus offer to receive $25 for free just for opening the account and funding it with $50, right? So that would be one that I would highly encourage you to get started with. And if you want to get started, you need to click the second link in the description below this video, right? Because the first link is going to give you access to training that will teach you how to do affiliate marketing, and and in a very advanced, well, I shouldn't say very advanced, like give you all the foundations and then move on to more advanced stuff that will help you with long-term success and all that type of stuff, right? So you'll have access to that training in the first link. The second link in the description below is one that will enable you to open a high yield savings account with SoFi, and then you'll be able to have your own referral link, right? You have to be a customer in order to have their referral link, okay? And once you have that referral link, if you refer people to join, open those high yield savings accounts with them, which automatically you'll also get a checking account, for free, right? They don't cost anything. You do that, you will receive a $25 bonus just for opening the account and depositing $50. And then now for each and every person that you refer, you're going to make $75, okay? $75. So that is, that's quite a hefty, quite a good referral bonus, right? Just for getting people to open an account. Now, I don't know how long this promotion is going to last, right? So it's something that if you do want to get involved with it, I wouldn't procrastinate. I'll get started right away. Okay. Now, when you do sign up, right, this is like when you click that second link in the description below this video, you're going to be taken to a page that looks like this. Okay, so this is what your referral link is going to look exactly like, except now you'll have a page just like this that will have your name right here, right? It has mine. Christian wants you to get $325 and pay no account fees, and then you will earn up to 3.8% APY. Now, bear in mind, you need to use my referral link down there. Full transparency, I will make a $75 commission, right, if you sign up. And the reason I'm saying that is because if you go directly to SoFi and sign up for an account, you're not going to get that $25 welcome bonus. Because take a look here. If you go to their site directly, and you see right here, it says up to $300 when you sign up for an account. All right, you see here, you're going to get up to $300, whereas with my referral link, you're going to get $325. That $25 is that welcome bonus that you'll get just for opening an account and funding it with $50. And if you want to get that $25 right away, what you want to do when you go through the sign up process is you'll have a chance to sign up, to fund your account via ACH transfer, transferring the money from your current existing bank account to the SoFi account. But you don't want to do that because it'll take a few days and then you'll have to wait before you get that $25 welcome bonus. Whereas if you do it with an instant transfer, whereby you use your existing debit card, it has to be the debit card of your current, it has to be a bank issued debit card of your current bank, not a credit card, your, debit card. Use that to deposit the $50 instantly, and then within 15 to 20 minutes, which is how long it took for me, you'll get that $25 welcome bonus. And you'll also get a debit card in the mail that you can use to, spend on your account, or just send to your daily transactions, right? And you'll be able to set up Zelle as well when you set up direct deposit, which will also give you access to that 3.8%. So if you had $10,000 saved in the account, you would make $380 after 1 year with that high yield savings account, right? Whereas in your regular brick and mortar bank, that same $10,000 after a year would pay you only anywhere between $1 and $4, depending on if you have the typical current interest rate of 0.01 to 0.04%, okay? And then this additional $300 bonus, if you want to get that, that's just going to be based on various tiers, right? If you deposit anything equal to or greater than $1,000 but less than $5,000, they'll give you a $50 bonus. And then if you have direct deposits coming through of $5,000 or more within 25 calendar days of your first direct deposit, that's how you'll get that additional $300 bonus. But we're more concerned right now about just getting that $25 bonus, and then as an affiliate, right, referring other people, and they will pay you up to $10,000 per calendar year, right? So that's about 133 people, right? 133 people will give you $9,775 plus your $25 welcome bonus. That's your $10,000 right there. Okay. So it is pretty simple. This is like one of the, like the easiest affiliate programs for beginners to get going with, because the person on the other side is not necessarily making a purchase. As a matter of fact, they're actually getting money, right, for free, that $25 welcome bonus. Like I mentioned earlier, the real friction is just going to be with, people being comfortable with, maybe setting up an account with something like this, right? But hey, that's just definitely something I would encourage you to get going with. If you have any questions, comments, or suggestions, put them in the comment section below. And more than anything, besides the welcome bonus and all the bonus money you can make, get involved with that training. The first link in the description below this video, so you'll be able to get more advanced and start learning how to promote things that actually require people to make purchases, right? So that you can make bigger commissions, right? Even more than just $75 per referral. All right. Thank you ever so much for taking the time to watch, and I will catch you in my next video.